This lesson is solving rational equation part 2. Here I have an example, 1 fraction, 2 fraction, 3 fractions. I'm going to rewrite this line down here. Again, I'm going to rewrite this line down here, and I'm going to use all 3 of this denominator, multiply it so that these denominators will go away. Okay, again, I'm going to use these 3 denominators, multiply, and then these denominator will go away. Now be very careful. If you have repeating denominator, if the denominator or repeating, just write it one time. Okay, one more time. If any of these denominator repeats, just write it one time. Okay, so here we go. So where did I get these from? They are from my denominator. One more time. Where did I get these from? From the denominator. So gather all of the denominators and multiply it. One more time. Gather all of the denominator, multiply it, and these denominator will go away. So here we go. As you can see, here the denominator is 2m minus 5. Over here, I also have 2m minus 5. Since this and this are the same, they go away. The only thing you have left is this 2, so bring down the 2. The 3m plus 1, bring that down. And this 3m, bring it down. One more time. 2m minus 5. 2m minus 5, when you multiply, they will cancel out. All you have left is the 2, the 3m plus 1, and then this 3m. Okay, repeat that process with the second fractions and also the third fractions. Okay, don't forget the minus, so bring that down. Here I have 3m plus 1. I have 3m plus 1, so they will be canceled as well. All I just have left is 2m minus 5, and bring this 7 down. One more time. This 3m plus 1, this 3m plus 1, they are canceled because they are the same. Bring down the 2, bring down the 2m minus 5, and bring down this 7. Okay, next, the last fraction, same procedure, put down the equal sign. Here in this situation, only the 2 will be canceled. Only the 2 will be canceled. So I have 2m minus 5, 3m plus 1, and bring down this 3 as well. And that's how all of my denominator are canceled. One more time. Use all of the denominators, multiply it, and they will be canceled. Okay, and as you can see, this line right here, all of the denominator are canceled out. Okay, so one more time. 2m minus 5, 2m minus 5, they are the same. Gone, they are canceled. I just have a 2, 3m plus 1, 3m. Bring down the minus. This 3m plus 1, this 3m plus 1, cancel out. So I just have a 2, 2m minus 5, bring down the 7. This 2 and this 2 over here are canceled. So I have 2m minus 5, 3m plus 1, and don't forget this 3. Okay? Since all the denominator go away, now just multiply them because I have a lot of these parentheses. Okay, so just distribute them. So 2 times 3, 6m. 2 times 3m is 6m. 2 times 1 is 2. Bring this down. Next, 2m times 2. 2 times 2m gives me 4m. 2 times negative 5, negative 10. Bring down the 7. Next, 3 times 2m is 6m. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. Okay, and then bring this 3m plus 1 down. Okay, next step, I still have parentheses, so 3m times 6m gives me negative 18m squared. 3m times 2 gives me 6m. Don't forget this minus, so bring it down. 7 times 4m, 28m. 7 times negative 10, negative 7d. Okay, next I'm using the distributions, so 6m times 3m gives me 18m squared. 6m times 1, 6m. 15, negative 15 times 3, negative 45m. and negative 15 times 1, negative 15. Okay, I still have parentheses here, so I'm going to get rid of that as well too by multiplying. So here's my parentheses. Here there's nothing to do, so just bring it straight down. So 18m squared, bring it down. 6m, bring it down because there's nothing to do. I still have a negative of parentheses here, so distribute. Negative times 28, negative 28m, negative times 70, positive 70. Okay, so negative times negative 70, positive 70. Okay, and on the other side, I will combine like terms. So there's nothing here. 18m squared, leave that alone. 6m minus 45m, which give me negative 35m, and bring down the negative 15. One more time, this 6m and this 45m, because that's a plus, that's a minus, so 6 subtract 45 gives me 39. Okay, next, I still have combined like terms here, so I want to combine these two together. So negative 18m squared, negative 18m squared. 6 subtract 28 gives me negative 22. M, and then plus 70, bring this down, bring this down, bring this down, because there's nothing else to do. Next, I want to rewrite this whole line, this entire line down here, so that you can see combining like terms from left side to the right. So I'm rewriting this line right here, this line down here, so that you can see the combining like term from the right side to the left side. Okay, so I'm going to move this positive 18, move it over, becomes negative 18. Move this negative 39, so become positive 39. Move this 15, negative 15, so become positive 15. So literally, I'm just moving this negative 18m squared. Since this is a positive, since I move, becomes negative. Same thing here, negative 9, positive, negative 39, positive 39. Negative 15, positive 15. So I'm moving from right side to the left. Okay, so this entire part right here on the right side, all equal to 0. This 18m squared and this negative 18m squared cancel out. 22, this is negative 22, this is 39. So negative 22 plus 39 gives me positive 17m, and then 70 plus 15 gives me 85. So all this is equal to 17m plus 85 equals 0. I'm going to move the 85 over, so it becomes negative, because this is positive. When you move it over, it becomes negative. And then after that, I want m to be by itself, so divide by 17 to both sides. So negative 85 divide 17 is negative 5. One more time, negative 85 divide by 17 gives me negative 5. And this is my answer, m equal negative 5 from the top. Okay, so this is the answer right here. M negative 5 is from this equations. Okay, so be very careful when you cancel out the denominator combining like terms.